Hello, welcome to Mart's garage. The weather has suddenly warmed up today from where it was yesterday. Look at the garage, look how, can you see all the wet on the floor? Look at my milling machine. Can you see all the wet on it? This was bone dry yesterday. Can you see all the water on it? Crazy, isn't it? Look at the lathe. And it's now 4:30 in the afternoon. I mean, look at this here. See the rust? It's annoying, isn't it? I've never seen it as bad as this. The floor isn't wet at this end of the garage. I stripped this engine down yesterday. Look at it now. So I'm going to wipe this crank on the bearing surfaces and oil them all to protect them. And I need to retrieve this from here. I don't know. Oh, it's not tight. Look, that's good. That's not tight though. I'll go take that off. Okay. So anyway, there we are. That's the problems of a unheated garage. Look at the coupe. The motor in the sedan. This was all wet this morning. Okay, right, no good moaning about it. Okay, righto. I'll come out to do a little bit of work on this, but I might just abandon it. Look at these bores. These were perfect yesterday. I wish I hadn't have stripped this engine down now. Wow, never seen anything like that before, that quickly. Okay, righto. Bit upset about that. But at least I can give it a wipe over and oil the surfaces. I wish I'd have put something over it now to protect it a little bit. I didn't think it'd be like this though. Well, there you go. That's what it's like having an unheated garage when the weather suddenly warms up. Okay. Take care then. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.